Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you everything you need to know about growing delicious tomatoes right at home. Whether you have a spacious garden or just a small balcony, you can enjoy fresh tomatoes at your fingertips. Let's get started. Section 1. Choosing the right variety. Moran. First things first, you need to choose the right variety of tomato for your space and climate. There are two main types: determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. Determinate varieties grow to a certain height and produce all their fruit at once, making them ideal for smaller spaces. Indeterminate varieties continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, perfect for larger gardens. Section 2. Planting tomatoes. Moran. Next, let's talk about planting. You can start tomatoes from seeds or buy young plants from a nursery. If starting from seeds, plant them indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Moran. When your seedlings are about 6 inches tall and have a couple of sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them outdoors. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Make sure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Section 3. Soil preparation. Moran. Prepare your soil by mixing in compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility. Tomatoes love slightly acidic soil, so aim for a pH level of around 6 to 6.8. Section 4. Transplanting. Moran. When transplanting, dig a hole deep enough to bury the stem of the plant up to the first set of leaves. This helps the plant develop a strong root system. Section 5. Watering and care. Moran. Now let's discuss care. Water your tomatoes deeply once a week, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Tomatoes need consistent moisture, especially when they are fruiting. Mulching around the base can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Section 6. Fertilizing. Moran. Fertilize your tomatoes every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Look for something high in phosphorus like a 5-10-10 formula to promote strong root growth and fruit development. As your tomato plants grow, they may need support. Use stakes or tomato cages to keep the plants upright and prevent the fruit from touching the ground, which can lead to rot. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and tomato hornworms. You can use insecticidal soap or neem oil as organic treatments. Additionally, watch for signs of diseases such as blight. Good air circulation and avoiding overhead watering can help prevent these issues. Finally, it's time to harvest. Tomatoes are ready to pick when they're fully colored and slightly firm to the touch. Gently twist or cut them from the vine to avoid damaging the plant. And there you have it. Growing tomatoes at home is not only rewarding but also a fantastic way to enjoy fresh produce. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. What varieties are you excited to grow this season? Let me know in the comments below. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.